Hello student, welcome back in online class. Today I am going to teach class 7th math second chapter fraction. You have already studied about the fraction in previous class. What is the fraction? There is definition given. First I write the class 7th math. Topic is fractions. You are already aware by the fraction in previous class. Fraction means any part of whole is called fraction. Fraction, any part of whole is called fraction. For example, suppose this is the circle. If I divide it two parts, then each part is 1 by 2. Second part is also 1 by 2. If I divide this in 4 parts, then each part is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Each part represented by 1 by 4. So that is clear by this definition and by this example. Any numbers, if you divide any parts, that part is called fraction. So types of the fraction, see here is, we can write 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So number written up the small horizontal line. So 1 is numerator. 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. So fraction has two parts, numerator and denominators. Numerator written above the small horizontal line and denominator written down. Type of the fraction, types of fractions. First is proper fraction. Proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator are called proper fraction. In short, we can write, if n means numerator and d means denominator is greater, that is called proper fraction. Example of proper fraction: 2 by 3, 4/5, 6/7, etc. Second is improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator is called a improper fraction. So a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Example: 5/4, 6/5, 7/3, etc. Now third fraction, mixed fraction. Mixed fractions, the fraction which having the whole number with fraction or a fraction with a whole number is called a fraction with a whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Example: 1/1/2. See boys here, 1 is whole number and 1/2 is proper fraction. This combination is called mixed fraction. So example of mixed fraction: 2/3/5, 3/1/2, 4/2/5, etc. These are the mixed fraction. And after that there is coming like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction, the fraction whose denominator are same are called like fraction. The fractions whose denominators are same are called like fractions. See, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. These are called like fraction. Similarly, there are unlike fraction. The fraction whose denominator are different are called unlike fraction. Unlike fractions, the fractions whose denominator are different are called unlike fractions. Example: 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, etc. After that, there are simple fraction, complex fraction. Simple fractions. A fraction in which numerator and denominator both are natural number is called simple fraction. A fraction whose numerator and denominator are natural numbers are called simple fraction. It means denominator and numerator are positive. Example: 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, all are positive. It means that is the natural number, so that is the simple fraction. Complex fraction: a fraction whose numerator and denominator both are fraction, that is called complex fraction. Complex fraction. The fractions whose numerator and denominator both are fractions, that fraction are called complex fraction. Are called both are the fraction whose numerator and denominator both are fraction, or any one are fraction, that is called complex fractions. Example, 1 upon 2 by 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3 by 3 upon 5. Here numerator and denominator both are fraction, that is called complex fraction. There are coming lowest form of fraction and equivalent fraction. Lowest form of fractions, the fraction whose common factor between numerator and denominator is only 1, that is called lowest form of fraction. So a fraction is a fractions not a fraction is said to be in lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. If its numerator its if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. No common factor except 1. For example, if there are given 2 upon 4, so here is 2 in common in numerator and denominator. If I write it 1 upon 2, so there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. Similarly, if there is given 3 by 5, here is also no common factor in numerator and denominator. No any common factor between numerator and denominator. This is called lowest form of the fraction. Now equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. The fraction whose lowest form, sometimes lowest form is called standard form also, are simplest form. So the fraction whose lowest form are same are called equivalent fraction. So the fractions are said to be equivalent if their lowest form are equal. If their lowest forms are equal. Example: 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, each having the same lowest form 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. All the lowest form are equal, so these fractions are called equivalent fractions. So what is the equivalent fraction? All those fractions whose standard form or lowest form or simplest form. Lowest form sometimes called simplest form or standard form. So all the fractions whose lowest form are same are called equivalent fraction. Now you have already know how can compare the fraction, how can subtract the fraction, how can convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, and how can write the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. So first I tell how can subtract and add. When you are adding or subtract the fraction, then first you change the given fraction into the like fraction. Like fraction means denominator should be same. So how can make same? You find the LCM of given fractions denominator and change the numerator also according to the denominators, and then you can add and subtract. So this becomes all clear by the doing the exercise. So now come on the exercise 2.1. See, there are given in z greater than equal to less than. It means you have to compare the fraction. In z greater than equal to and less than. See, first question 1/2 and there are given 64/128. How can you change the given fraction into standard fraction or lowest form of the fraction? You find the HCF of numerator and denominator of the given fraction and divide numerator and denominator by their HCF. Or you cut the fraction till again it not cut. It means there is no any common factor remain between numerator and denominator. So I tell to finding the HCF of numerator and denominator, find HCF of 64 and 128. So 128 divided by 64, division going 2 times. So 64 is the HCF of 64 and 128. So 64 divided by 64 and 104 divided by 64, you will get 1 by 2. So a 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 64 by 128. So both are equal. There are given B 3 by 5 and 7 by 14, which is greater. You compare this fraction by converting the given fraction into like fraction. So convert it, find the LCM of 5 and 14. LCM of 5 and 14. 5, 14 divisible by 2, 5 not divisible, 7, and then 5, 1, 7, and then 7, it is 1 coming. So LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 70. Now convert the given fraction into those fraction whose denominator is those like fraction whose denominator is 70. So 3 by 5 is equal to 70, and then divide 70 by 5, you get 14. 3 into 14, that is 42 by 70. So 3 by 5 converted into the like fraction whose denominator is 70, and that convert into 42 by 70. And now 7 by 14 is equal to, its denominator becomes 70, then 7 by 7 into 5 is equal to 35 by 70. This given fraction converted into the like fraction. Now see its numerator, whose numerator is greater, that is greater. So 42 is greater than 35. So 42 by 70 is greater than 35 by 70. It means 3 by 5 is greater than 7 by 14. This way you can compare the fraction. So remaining you can write as a homework. Now I am going to teach you question number second. Question number second, C wise. Arrange the following in ascending order, descending order, B descending order, A, C ascending order, like this. So how can compare C here? Arrange the following. First I tell and remaining you complete. 2 by 9, comma 2 by 3, comma 8 by 21. Write in descending order. In descending order you have to write. Now see watch how can write in descending order. You change all the given fraction into like fraction. So first you find the LCM of 3, 9, 21 divisible by 3. So 1, 3, 7, 3 again, 1, 1, 7. Now divide by 7, 1, 1, 1. That is LCM is 63. 3 into 3 into 7 is equal to 63. So convert each given fraction into those equivalent fraction whose denominator is 63. So that is 2 by 9 is denominator change 63. 63 divided by 9, you will get 7. To 2 into 7 is equal to 14 by 63. And then 2 by 3, its denominator also change into 63. 63 divided by 3, what you will get? 21. 2 into 21 is equal to 42 by 63. And last 8 by 21, its denominator also change into 63. 63 divided by 21, 3 coming. So 8 into 3 is equal to 24 by 63. So now compare the numerator. Whose numerator is greater, that is greater. Whose numerator is smaller, that is smaller. So you are going to write in descending order. Then first you write the greatest fraction, that is 42 upon 63, and then 24 upon 63, and then 14 upon 63. This implies that 2 by 3 is greater. So you have to write the from greater to smaller. 2 by 3 is greater, and then you write 24 by 63 equivalent to 8 by 21. That 8 by 21 is greater than 8 by 21. After that you write 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is the smallest. 2 by 3 is the greatest, and 8 by 3 is smaller than 2 by 9. 8 by 21 is smaller than 2 by 9, 2 by 3, and 2 by 9 in the smallest, that is written in the descending order. This way I think you complete remaining question. And third I will tell. Third, write 4 equivalent fraction of write 4 equivalent fraction of 3 by 11. 3 by 11. So that is what you do for this. You first 1 by 3 by 11 is equal to 3 into 2 and 11 into 2. You multiply by 2 with numerator and denominator, that is 6 by 22. 3 by 11 is equal to 3 into 3 by 11 into 3, 9 by 33. 3 by 11 is equal to 3 into 4, 11 into 4 is equal to 12 by 44. Now 3 by 11 is equal to 3 into 5, 11 into 5, 15 upon 55. 3 upon 11 is equal to 3 into 6, 11 into 6, 18 by 66. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4 right. That answer is 6 by 22, 9 by 33, 12 by 44 and 15 by 55. Okay boys, thank you, good afternoon, and next day in next video I teach next questions